grease. Hey guys, it's Sean from Engines and Elbow Grease. Man, do I have a long-awaited update. You see what that is? That's the one we took apart. And I finally got another one for $25, baby. It's free, it rotates, the block is good. So we're gonna see if we can get this thing running and finally get this Husqvarna back running and mowing again. This has kind of been a back burner project for, I don't know, at least 6 months, 7 months probably, since last winter. And finally found an engine for it that isn't blown up. Mouse got into it, wrecked the starter, so I'm gonna have to clean it out. I have a brand new starter from the other engine, but it's not even bolted in yet. I just picked it up and set it in the tractor. So let's get it installed, set in the tractor, pulleys on, bolted down, everything. And then we can dig in and see if this thing will run, see if we can get this thing back to life, finally. Let's get this starter changed out and wiring hooked up and everything over here. And then we can check over the engine, clean out the rest of this mess from the mouse. And probably gonna swap carburetors because the carburetor that came off of this ran really good when I put it away, and this one, the gas smells pretty bad. So probably gonna swap the carbs as well. Oof. This is super corroded. There we go. This will take it off. Yep. Fucked. There we go. Whew. Man, that was screwed. Nasty. This is just for the shut off for the anti-afterfire solenoid on the bottom of the carburetor. So I can cut this whole harness out because it's actually tied right into the ignition source for the coil on this engine. My old one, it was part of that wiring, but it actually came over and hooked up over here. This one hooks up under the carb and is tied into this whole harness. So all we need to do is hook this harness up. Doesn't look too bad either. Yeah, looks good. I'm gonna leave the air filter off of it for now, just in case we have to change that carb. There's no sense putting it on just to test run it. So I'm gonna give this thing a fire up. We've got gas in it. I hooked the fuel tank up, just a little bit of gas, nothing crazy, but it filled the filter. I heard it fill the bowl. Got oil in it. I don't know if this battery is still good. Got a new air filter and everything. I actually had a filter kit for this already that I bought for the other engine. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Appreciate it very much. Glad we finally got this thing running again. I'm gonna do some more videos on this thing while I fix it up, and not sure yet if I'm gonna keep it or sell it, but you can hear she's running pretty good. That carburetor is great. Should probably change the oil. I'm gonna need to do some work on the deck for sure, but I'll do some more videos on it. You'll see it again. Thanks again for watching. So glad we finally got an engine for this thing, and this thing moves and runs again. At least I can get it out of the shop for now. Finally. Thank you very much.